Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this week episode I'm gonna show you how you change the gear knob and also the gear protection leather for Volkswagen Passat from 2008 to 2007 with a real new one and real leather. It was costing around 20 euro, a little bit less, but it's real leather and it's nice quality and looks very nice. So we're gonna change this one with a new one. I'll show you how it's looking. Good. First thing we may have to do, we have to remove this one. It's a very simple thing to do. You have to lift it a little bit up. Here you have two pins, and then to push it in front, and then you have it, you remove. So these are the pins. Okay. Now you lift everything up, and then we have to lose this ring, and then everything will gonna slide up. Okay, now it's loosened, so everything should slide up like this. So you only have to remove the pressure to this one. I will try to use the same one. So now to take it off, you make like this. So you squeeze this and then you take it off. We put this aside, apart. We have a new one here, but we'll try to use the old one.
No, we use the new one. Okay.
The new one?
Yeah. Okay. Should try with the one.
So now everything we have to do is to see which
no, this is like this.
Which is the correct side.
Yeah, this is the correct side.
Like this.
Yeah.
And then we have to introduce everything here. Okay. And now using a clamp, we have to clamp this. You take a look and verify it if it's in place on the correct position, and then
we may adjust it later.
Tie this up. So we tied everything up. Now everything we have to do is to put these pins inside and then to move it back. And
first put this one.
The back ones, and then you just push it down. You should hear a clip, and this is it, guys. Just
new and shiny.
Yeah, just 5 minutes job. But the result, it's amazing.